OFM Sport.
France, really good win for you guys. Up until probably around about minute 68, 65, it could have gone either way, but you must really be happy with the way the guys were able to finish this one.
Yeah, Moxie, look, we're happy with the win, but there's still a lot we need to work at. Next week we need to be better than this week, that's all. If we're better in small things, we need to grow every week, and hopefully we can do that.
Last week the lineouts were a bit of a problem. This week the scrums, and I've said this for a long time. At this level, I don't think there's a better loose head in the country than Cameron. Was it just a matter of Cammy being Cammy on the day where you gave you guys carrots in the scrum, or was it a bit of a concern there?
Look, I don't think Cammy. I'm not picking the team on that side. That's their own business. We know what Cammy can do because he was here for a long time. So he's a very good prop, and I don't think there's any better learning school for Ben than what he got tonight. A young guy coming up against. Look, when Cammy was here, we just destroyed scrums with him. So I mean, I hope he gets into the URC squads and all of that. So He's a very good player. If they're not going to use him, they can send him back. We'll use him for something.
Niels, and the message halftime, because halftime it was sort of anybody's game. It was almost you hit, I hit, one of those kind of games. What was the message for you guys to come out?
Look, Morgan, there was a few things, but I mean, for us it's just to stay in the game. Obviously, in this, it's like Frans mentioned that if we can be better at that small things. And areas of the game each time, or in the second half, that was the message: be better with everything. And I think, like you mentioned, still minute 62, 65, it was touch and go, but obviously I feel the bench obviously also lifted it when they came on, so I have to credit them on that. That helped us, but yeah, the message also just to be better at that small things.
And you guys went down a player late in the game, and you held your own pretty well with one man less in the field, when the Sharks looked like they were in the attacking mood. Do you think that might have just given you that extra gear or that extra drive going those final 10 minutes when you guys were back at full complement?
Possibly. I mean, if I look at it from the Sharks' perspective, if you throw everything or the kitchen sink at us with 14 men on the field, and we absorb the pressure and put it back to them. I mean, I can see it can be like not a mood killer, but yeah, mood killer on their side, and it's difficult to come back from that.
Those players must be lucky to play that free state champagne rugby there towards the end to close out a game.
No, it is. I mean, it's nice to see the guys expressing themselves, and obviously playing what's in front of them, and it's obviously nice to watch from the outside as well. I mean, from a fans' perspective, coaches, guys that's on the bench, it's awesome to see.
Coach, this is your second win coming into the Currie Cup. What does this now do for your confidence going into your next fixture?
Nothing. We were so bad in the first 60 minutes. There's still a lot we need to do. Look, I'm happy with the win, but at the end, I think one of the goals of this year is to play good, winning, old Free State rugby and to get the stadium full. And at the moment, I think the last 20 minutes we did well, but it's not good enough to get the stadium full. We need the stadium full, and we need the guys to come out here. So there's still a lot of work for us. Look, I think later on in the competition, this team's also, the Sharks will be good. I think they put us under a lot of pressure in the first 60 minutes. I mean, the type of game they're playing, and they're good in the air, and it's a difficult team to play against. And the Currie Cup isn't won today. And I know that, and Pai knows that, and Tia knows it. We played in this competition a long time. So there's still a lot of work for us to do.
I wanted to say, Niels, obviously your last 40 looked a little bit more improved. Do you think you can come in as title contenders with the way you played exactly the last 40?
I would say the last 20 to 15 minutes, definitely. I won't put it down to the whole second half. Look, this team can definitely challenge for the title this year, no doubt about it. But we're going to have to be a lot better than we were for 60 minutes of this game. Me and Frans spoke. I think we as players also realize it. We can still improve a lot, and it's about being better than you were the previous week. And obviously it starts with training during the week and your preparations. As long as we build that and we keep on improving, I can't see us not being successful in the future.
Coach, obviously, like Morgan has admitted earlier, that there's still those minor, technical issues like your scrums and lineouts. What do you think you're going to do now going forward into your next fixture and also contending for the title to improve on that?
We need to keep picking the props, the young props we have, get game time under their belt, pick a pack around them that will support them, and we need to get game time on those legs. I mean, props, I don't know a lot about props and lineouts and scrums and stuff, but I know props needs to play rugby, and they need to learn, and the only way they do that is on the pitch, not in a scrum session, they need to play. So we're going to keep on picking them, and look, Ben is 21, turning 22 this year. I mean, if you show me any other 22-year-old that will go up against Cammy, good luck. Cammy is a proper guy. He's got experience. He knows the ins and outs. He didn't do everything legal tonight, so but like I said, he's smart. So, and that's where the young guys needs to get. They need to learn. They need to grow. And look, that's what the Free State. That's what we are. We are a place where young guys needs to come and play. We give them opportunity. We take the good with the bad, and we build.